If you want to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Devant smart TV, the process is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. First, turn on your Bluetooth speaker and place it into pairing mode. Most speakers indicate pairing mode with a blinking LED light or a voice prompt saying pairing. The speaker must be discoverable before the TV can detect it. Once that's ready, grab your TV remote and open the settings menu. Navigate to the section labeled Bluetooth, Devices, or Connections depending on your Devant model. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, then choose the option that says Add Device or Pair New Device. The TV will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. When your speaker's name appears on the screen, select it and press Connect. After a few seconds, you should see a confirmation message, and you may also hear a sound from the speaker confirming the connection. Next, go into the TV's audio or sound settings and change the audio output from TV speakers to Bluetooth speaker so the sound routes properly. Play a video or show to test it. If you don't hear audio, make sure the speaker is within range and there are no major obstructions like thick walls or interference from other wireless devices. If the speaker doesn't show up, put it back into pairing mode and rescan from the TV.